Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Digital Marketing News. We have a lot of news from Google, Microsoft Ads, Yelp and more. Google has increased the functionality of its related activity cards. This change has been designed to make it easier for users to move forward in their shopping, job, recipe or related journey. The new shopping activity card will be shown to users products that they've been researching. Even if they only read about it in the article, the card will include price ranges and ratings that users can compare products easily. The job activity card will show relevant and new job listings that have been added since their last job search. This means that users will now be able to see new jobs at a glance. The recipe activity card will include related recipes to those a user has already looked at. They will also have an image thumbnail for users to preview the final result. These new tools will facilitate users moving further into their journey. It could result in an increase in sales, more job applications and more recipe views. Yelp is providing more tools to help small businesses thrive during these tough times. No longer just a review site, they are trying to position themselves as a one-stop local platform. They are doing this with a new feature such as Request a Quote, a new scheduling tool, nearby jobs and a modernised design. The Request a Quote experience was launched in 2016, but it's now been evolved into a more comprehensive service. This involves a tailored questionnaire to streamline the process and ensure that customers and the business get exactly the service that they want. This service is available across 60 business categories and will be expanded in the coming months to over 100. Yelp has also added a scheduling feature to make the booking process more efficient. Businesses can easily share their availability and customers can confirm the appointment and add it to their mobile calendar. The Nearby Jobs feature will allow businesses to pitch for relevant jobs in their area. This gives businesses more control over the Request a Quote experience. It will also benefit new businesses who need to build their reputation on the app. Microsoft Advertising Editor has been updated to include recommendations and campaign level targeting. This new feature is designed to help advertisers manage and optimize their campaign performance in bulk. The AI-powered recommendations are indicated with a light bulb icon and can include suggestions for bids, keywords or ad group fixes. The campaign level targeting now allows you to apply audience targeting at a campaign level. This was previously only available through the Microsoft Advertising user interface. These new features will make it easier to manage ads from Editor, and these recommendations could help advertisers improve their account performance. Organic product listings are now available in Bing Shopping. These are currently available to Microsoft Merchant Center users who have approved offers. The ability to promote offers for free is currently only available to merchants in the USA, but this will eventually roll out to all other regions. Advertisers using Microsoft Shopping campaign don't need to take any action to participate, they will be automatically opted in. If you don't wish to participate, you can opt out from the settings page. Reporting is not currently available for free listings, but basic metrics will be available from autumn. Showing products for free will help advertisers get their inventory in front of bigger audiences, while a bigger selection of products may attract more shoppers to Bing. The Google Performance Planner helps advertisers to predict performance based on spend and return on investment levels. These new features have been introduced to enhance this tool. Performance Planner now supports shared budgets for search campaigns. This will allow you to create, edit and download forecast for shared budget campaigns. They have also introduced a collaboration feature so you can now share performance plans for viewing and editing by other people. Performance Planner can now account for conversion delay. If your conversions take over 7 days to report, you can account for this when making your plans. This will give you a more accurate performance forecast based on your campaigns. Well, that's it for another week. We hope you have a great day and we'll see you again next Sunday. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.